Welcome to another EQM product video featuring STM power transmission, made in Italy. At EQM, they know the importance of reliable gearboxes and motors for the food, manufacturing and engineering industries, which is why they stock the STM gear drive range. So why choose STM gear drives? Modular design. This allows them to make up a wide range of sizes and ratios, with all gearboxes being pre-assembled. Input coupling for ease of assembly and disassembly. Wide range of sizes and ratios. Universal and standard mounting. Interchangeable with other brands. Hardened gears for longer life. The STM range includes STM standard line, worm gearboxes, STM high-tech motion line, helical and bevel gearboxes, STM high-tech heavy-duty line, planetary and parallel gearboxes, STM electric motors, STM custom, customer-specific gearboxes. The benefits of buying STM gear drives from EQM include comprehensive stock holding in New Zealand. EQM are the sole agent in New Zealand for STM, with larger stocks held in Perth, Australia at the STM Distribution Centre. Reliable and experienced technical knowledge. Downloadable CAD models. Purchasing with EQM is easy. Placed orders are dispatched the same day. For more information, visit www.eqm.co.nz or call 0800 147 847.